Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear Muslim brother and sister, from today inshallah I am planning to start a new video lesson series where I will try to teach you Surah Yasin so that you can memorize the whole Surah Yasin by heart. You can learn it by heart with the meaning. For that reason, my main plan is to read out every day one single ayah with meaning. But today is the first lesson, and on that first lesson or on that first video, I will try to cover first 5 ayats with meaning, because the first 5 ayats are comparatively a little bit small and the rest are a bit long ayah. So on the first day, I will read out first 5 ayats, and then every day I will try to upload one new video with one single ayat. So dear brother and sister, inshallah I believe that video will be helpful for us to learn the most important surah of the Quran, the Surah Yasin, which is the heart of the Quran. So please follow along and try to memorize Surah Yasin by heart with the meaning. Inshallah ta'ala, Allah will give us a lot of barakat for this surah. So I am starting the surah today. I already said I will read first 5 ayah, and inshallah I will read every single ayat word by word so that it is very easy for you to understand, to memorize and to learn. And you can also share this surah with your friends and especially with the kids if you have kids at your home, so that they can learn the surah, and it will be helpful for them for their whole life if they can learn it when they are small. So without further ado, let's get started. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Yasin, Yasin, Yasin. So for this ayat, the meaning of this ayat only is known by Allah. Only Allah Jalla Shanuhu know the meaning of this ayah. Wal Qur'anil Hakim, Wal Qur'anil Hakim, Wal Qur'anil Hakim, Wal Qur'anil Hakim, Wal Qur'anil Hakim. By the glorious Quran of supreme wisdom. Innaka, Innaka, Innaka laminal, Laminal, Laminal Mursalin, Mursalin, Mursalin. Innaka laminal mursalin, Innaka laminal mursalin. So now say it after me. Innaka laminal mursalin. Again say it after me. Innaka laminal mursalin, Innaka laminal mursalin. Friends, say it now. Okay, last time. Innaka laminal mursalin. So the meaning of this ayah: surely you, Muhammad, are of the sent ones. That means Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, indeed one of the messengers. Ala, 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 siratim, 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 mustaqim, مستقيم مستقيم على صراط مستقيم على صراط مستقيم على صراط مستقيم. Now friends, say it after me. على صراط مستقيم على صراط مستقيم على صراط مستقيم على صراط مستقيم. Okay, last time, say it after me. على صراط مستقيم. The meaning of this ayah is on the straight path. That means Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is on the straight path. And the last ayah for today, ayat number 5. تنزيل 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 عزيز 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 رحيم 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 تنزيل العزيز الرحيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. So friends, now you say it after me. تنزيل العزيز الرحيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. Last time, say it after me. تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. So friends, the meaning of this ayah is, this Quran is sent down by the Almighty, the Merciful. So friends, up to this, today we have practiced first 5 ayat. Now I am reading the first 5 ayat together and then we will be finishing the class today. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. So dear brother and sister, for today we're finishing the class right here, and from next class inshallah we will read one single ayat every day. So till then, Allah Hafiz and stay safe, and Allah save all of us from coronavirus. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.